When we receive the Vet30 anesthesia machine, we check and unpack the carton. The first thing we see is the packing list. We need to confirm whether all the parts we receive conform to the packing list. This white hose is used to connect the cage mount vibrator with the main engine of the anesthesia machine. This green one is the respiratory gas bag. This is T-piece tube, which is used primarily for non-rebreathing circuits in small animals. Here are two sets of loop tubes for rebreathing circuits, one for relatively small animals and one for larger animals. Animals weighing up to 20 kilograms use this small set. Animals weighing between 20 and 200 kilograms use this big set. The blue one is the oxygen pipe. This clear can is a refillable land tank used to absorb carbon dioxide and can be filled with calcium lime or sodium lime. This is the pressure reducing valve, which is used to connect the gas cylinder and the anesthesia machine. One end of the oxygen pipe is connected to the pressure reducing valve, and the other end is connected to the anesthesia machine. There is also a wrench for holding the screws. This is the base of the trolley. This is the exhaust pipe. Finally, the main engine of the anesthesia machine. But we need to get the base of the trolley in place first, and then we have to take it out. Next, let's begin to assemble the Vet30 anesthesia machine. Remove the screws under the rod. Secure the screws through the positioning holes on the base of the trolley and tighten the screws. Then, remove the two M6 screws above the rod. Next, let's install the main engine. Careful to hold the two foam boards tightly with two hands. When taking the hose, so as not to break the hose, we put the main engine on the ground like this. Remove the foam board above, then take out the main engine. Align it with the positioning hole, and then fix the two M6 screws that were just taken out and tighten them with the wrench. Here are all the accessories. Let's continue to assemble. First, connect the vibrator. The long tube is connected to the inset. The short one is connected to the outlet. Then let's install the land tank. A click indicates that it's okay. Then let's connect one end of the oxygen pipe to the pressure reducing valve and the other end to the anesthesia machine. Here are three types of loop tubes. There are one T-piece tube and two sets of rebreathing loop tubes. The T-piece tube is suitable for small animals weighing less than 7 kilograms. The small rebreathing circuit suitable for animals weighing up to 20 kilograms, and the big one for animals weighing 20 to 200 kilograms. Let's take the rebreathing circuit as an example. Connect one pipe to the suction interface. Connect the other pipe to the expiratory interface. This end can be connected to a tracheal tube and placed in the animal's lung. The function of the respiratory gas bag is to allow the doctor to assist in the ventilation of the animal. The exhaust pipe is used to discharge the exhaust gas and can be connected to the exhaust bucket. The 5-meter length also allows exhaust gases generated during the operation to be emitted directly outside the operating room. If the small animal anesthesia requires a non-rebreathing circuit, we adjust the toggle to ACGO mode and connect the T-piece tube to the suction interface. At this time, the exhaust pipe is connected to the APL valve at the other end of the T-piece pipe. Finally, we will briefly introduce the functions of the Vet30 anesthesia machine. This is the oxygen flush button, which is used to help animals quickly remove anesthetic gas from their bodies in emergency situations. This is APL valve. Positive pressure ventilation can be adjusted. Usually, a minimum state is okay. The maximum can be adjusted to 50. The function of the APL valve is to prevent barotrauma in small animals due to excessive airway pressure. To adjust the concentration of the vaporizer, we need to hold here down and rotate it. Its concentrations ranges from 0.2 to 6. And a click indicates a reset. This is poor fill. If a quick fill or key fill is required, it can be replaced. Above is a demonstration of the Vet30 veterinary anesthesia machine. If you'd like to